Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone off and removing the case and SIM tray so you can access the lightning port safely. Once done, use a bright flashlight to inspect the port for lint, corrosion, or bent pins. You want to know whether this is debris or damage. Make sure to gather 90% isopropyl alcohol, a soft anti-static brush, a wooden toothpick, and a clean cloth, and position the phone on a static-free work surface before you proceed. You continue by using short compressed air bursts from 6 to 8 inches away to avoid driving debris deeper. Do not blow directly into the port. Once loose particles move, gently coax remaining lint out with the edge of a wooden toothpick, lifting rather than scraping to protect pins. Then brush the contacts with an anti-static brush and, if residue remains, lightly dampen a corner of a lint-free cloth with 90% isopropyl alcohol and touch the contacts briefly. Allow full drying before testing. You finish by reseating the SIM tray and case, then boot the iPhone to test charging and data transfer with the original cable. Once done, swap to a known good cable and charger to confirm whether the issue is the accessory versus the port. If problems persist, back up your data and try a factory reset to rule out software causes. If the lightning port still fails afterward, make sure to consult an authorized repair provider or replace the port assembly. Key tip: if moisture or corrosion was present, do not heat or use the phone until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.